guy right here, and we're going to show you some of our Play-Doh time fill-ins. I collected all of these to know which is better. So let's start on the red Play-Doh. Look, super red or smushy red. Looks kind of red. It's just hot cherry red. I love cherries. I'm gonna bring this accessory out. Oh, I dropped it. I'm right back. Oh, God. Mess. Actually making sense. What? Ooh. Right again. Light blue. Check out white. Light blue. A little bit light. Let's see how it comes out. With the popsicle stick, I say, and we even got a rose cherry. So, here's a cherry pop. Cherry pop.